I'm Quinn, Chair of the Unity Schools Partnership Board, and on behalf of the Board, I would like to thank everyone who has contributed to our consultation on the proposals for the three-tier Bury St Edmunds school in our trust. We've appreciated people attending our 4 meetings for parents and people who came along to the 4 public meetings. We welcome any further responses. As we've said at the meetings, at the end of the consultation period, the Trust Board will reflect on and consider carefully all the views that have been expressed, including where alternative proposals have been made. It's our intention to publish a report on the consultation, and we will look to make public all developments. Thank you again to so many who have engaged so thoroughly with the consultation.